Satnam, I'm Yogi Cass. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to today's practice. We will begin with Tadasana, and this is also known as a mountain pose. This is one of the foundational postures in yoga. It builds strength, balance and awareness. To start, we are gonna stand with the feet hips wide apart. We're gonna lift the chest and gently lift your arms over the head. Keep your spine long and palms are facing each other and hands and shoulders are relaxed, and we're gonna use a root lock here. This means we're gonna close our anus, and that way energy can pour in through the cosmos to our hands, to the fingertips and to all of the body. That way we're like a cup that energy just fills us up. So from the right hand there is this masculine energy, this very active and positive energy, and from the left we are gaining our feminine energy, the moon. So from the right there is the sun energy, from the left there is moon energy that is doing everything to do with nature, with neutrality, with femininity, feelings and ease. And from the right side it's to do everything with courage, with self-powerment, with going forward and action-based feelings and energies. So these beautiful energies in the body, our yin and yang, we are balancing them up and aligning them. So here with this Tadasana, this is very good for strengthening the legs and core. It improves balance and also gives mental clarity. We are working with the chakras, with the lower three chakras mostly, with our root chakra, Muladhara, with our sacral Svadhisthana, and with our solar plexus, Manipura. And now just relax and affirm with me. I am grounded. I am safe and supported. I stand firmly in my power. I am stable and secure. I flow with ease and creativity. I honor my emotions. I embrace joy and movement. I stand in confidence in who I am. I am strong, capable, and empowered. My inner fire guides me. My heart is open and free. I give and receive effortlessly. I breathe in peace and exhale kindness. All is well with me. And if you wish, you can stretch yourself to the back. Give your neck and upper back a stretch here as well. Very good. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this little practice today, and lots of love. Bye.